Framer CMS not updating? Yeah, that's super frustrating, especially when your content changes don't show up live. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. All right, first, try republishing your site. I mean, CMS changes don't always go live automatically, so you need to publish again. Next, make sure your CMS items are actually published. If they're still in draft, they won't show on your site. Now check if your CMS is properly connected to your page elements. Yeah, sometimes the content isn't linked correctly. Okay, this one's simple but important. Clear your browser cache and do a hard refresh. Sometimes you're just seeing an old version of your site. If you're using filters or conditions, make sure they're set correctly. I mean, wrong filters can hide your content completely. Also, check your field types in the CMS. If there's a mismatch, your content might not display properly. And yeah, open your site on another browser or device. This helps confirm if it's a local issue or not. If it's still not updating, try duplicating your CMS collection or page. I mean, this can fix weird sync bugs. So yeah, that's how you fix Framer CMS not updating. One of these steps should get your content showing properly again. If this helped, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one.